Hi, my name is Dhruval Shah and I'm currently working as Junior Data Analyst at Fortray Global Services. Before I joined Fortray, I came from a different background. I have done my QA before and I was doing MBA with Data Analytics. So I was unsure how to start my career in data. So finding Fortray changed everything. Their training was practical, but what really stood out was the placement team. They marketed my profile very well, prepared me for interviews. There were plenty of mock interviews and they were given me lot of chances as well, and guided me every step of the way. I faced challenges, especially with confidence and technical interviews, but Fortray's support me mock session and helped me to overcome them. I definitely recommended Fortray to everyone looking into the data or tech. Their support goes beyond just teaching. They truly help you land the job. Thank you very much.